Hey everyone, this is Abby's Island. It is insanely amazing and honestly, probably one of the best islands I've ever seen, or definitely tied at the very least. You guys aren't ready for this. It's a zoo themed island, and it's just insanely creative and detailed, like so detail oriented. And I'm so excited to show you. So this is Abby, and her entrance to the island. On the left, you can see panels for the zoo, and this is the ticket area. Super cool QR code for the stall, and her cute tickets panel. And I love her her little zoo outfit. Super cool. Her green mums. I also really like that turtle, Leonardo. So it's a really, really cool entrance just to go up the stairs and see Leonardo right there, the Ninja Turtle, and the wheelchairs. I haven't caught this turtle yet, so I don't know if it's a Southern Hemisphere catch or if I'm just not good at it. Her little train area, her fossil stand, and you can see the meteors on the stall too. She caught a tarantula and a scorpion. Terrifying. I'm really scared of the scorpions. And her gift shop area that looks kind of like a bazaar. I really love that headpiece right there. And all of her blankets are amazing. And her little KK area for merchandise. The flamingos. See, like this is awesome. This is such a cool idea to put them there behind the fence, just like at the zoo. The caricature drawing area, fortune cookie stand, and this is a gorgeous backdrop with the bridges. Then we have the vending machines like you have in the real zoo. Crocs. I don't see them, but that's terrifying. I guess that's the croc area. We have the cool sightseeing area, and here she has the villager houses behind, like gated off, so it's like the zoo exhibits. That's the tiger area. Okay, this is amazing. Like she literally caught so many scorpions. Like just to get a model of them, you have to catch 3, and she has a ton. That's crazy. What do we have here in this exhibit? It looks really natural. Wolf, that's awesome. I love the pine trees for the wolf. It's a really foresty. What do we have over here? This really cool bridge. Oh, the dig site with the Stegosaurus and oh, Jurassic Park caution. The T-Rex, that's awesome, with the barbed wire fence. It's a really cool touch. And then I didn't even notice that bamboo speaker. That's really cool. I love all her, I don't know the name if it's called flag signs, but it's really cool. It looks like a real zoo. The lion. And then when we were filming, there was a error with the internet, so it broke out for a second. So I just started when I came back over here where we left off. The butterfly area, amazing. Again, she had to catch a ton of these to make a model of one of them. She has the monarch and Stonehenge and the cute, I can't tell if that's a magnifying glass, but it's awesome. Boots escaped. Oh no. Whose boots? I'm scared. With a museum. With the Valiant statue. Huge flex. And then what do we have? I wonder whose house that is with the fossil door. Oh, he is so cool. Like the tiger looking cat. So that's the tiger exhibit. Who's this? Croco. So is that Boots then? His area looks like swampy with the tires and it's scary. Let's see. Okay, oh, it's a panda's house. You can tell because of all the pandas and the panda shirt. That's amazing. Also, a side note, their houses are awesome looking. Like the exterior of them at least, they're really cool. We have the popcorn machine and the cookie stand just like at the zoo. And that frozen area right there. Shave ice and that popsicle next to that bear statue. This is supposed to be in here. So I'm guessing it's a penguin. Awesome, that is so cool. The penguin exhibit. So cute. And she has her little snowman with the hat. It's amazing. Yeah, this island is just so thought out and like gorgeous. And then just like how the sidewalks are when you walk and the trees in the middle, it's really beautiful. Anka's house. I really love that palm tree she put there and the golden roses. It's really cool. So we're in the big cats section. Oh, all the snapping turtles. That's so cute. So awesome. What a fun way to get around the island. Oh no, I'm lost. Where did she go? The zoo is huge. I don't know. Oh, there she is. Let's see, where... Oh, look at that giraffe flag. Amazing. The honey stand. Aviary. Awesome, with all of the palms and the trees. So cool. Just look at the hedges and the design she put underneath it. It's so detailed. And this sea creature area with the octopus and the sea anemone. It's amazing. The petting zoo is so cute with the plushie and the decoy duck. That's awesome. And I like the Aries rocking chair she put there. The horseback rides, awesome. On the beach, even cooler. Gulliver. I haven't got to meet the pirate Gulliver yet. He's dead. No. The cafe. And we have this pineapple and yellow ice cream. Dole Whip Cafe. Nice. I love all the hopping areas she made to get around. It's really fun. What? I don't think I've caught in one of these ever. That's crazy. Is this a southern hemisphere thing? Like, I don't know. Horsey boys. Dem horsey boys though. So it looks like the entrance to another cafe area. This is really cool. Like, I think it's so awesome she put the pandas, or the, I don't know what they are, but behind the instruments like they're playing. It's so, so cool. And that subtle like background shot of the moon, like amazing. Spa. What else? Gift shop. Ooh, she has a lot of the pirates items. That crown. Oh, she has both of the crowns. That's really cool. Music area. A really cool bar. That's awesome. No concerts right now. That's funny. And I really love her rugs and um, the tablecloths she uses. Like everything is different and everything is thought out. Like look at these crabs that we're walking over. There's and like this little crab themed restaurant. That is so cute. And it looks like a crab boil, I think. I'm not sure. That's what that cold cauldron looks like. Um, the cafe, which is really cute. I'm excited, like, I'm so excited to just venture through this island. It's amazing. And all the cherry blossom lanterns she put everywhere. It just really looks like a zoo. Super cool bridge. And, ooh, really cool entrance to her house. Really nice. Ooh, I wonder what the first room's gonna be. The suspense. Wow, holy crap. Look at the flooring. Amazing. And the stall, the tiki feeling stall, and the panda thing, Animal Kingdom Lodge-ish. The panda behind the computer checking you into the lodge and the cute waiting area. It's like, look at the macrame she displaced, like, or displayed. Like, that's insane. She's really creative. We have the giraffe flooring in the kitchen. Again, the panda is serving you. Oh, look at all the giraffes. Totes real giraffes sticking their heads in. Yeah, from the windows. That's cute. It's a really cohesive theme. I love it. What's this next room? The tigers. Carol Baskin. Um, Behind Abby, you can see Carol Baskin's flower crown and Tiger King's shirt. That's super funny. What's this? Super tranquil. Get a rub down from a trash panda. The sheer disrespect. Her wallpaper is amazing with the water trickling down over the flowers. Really cool. The basement. Oh man, Elephant Graveyard Bar. This is amazing. I really love the wallpaper, the fossils, and the mammoth fossil, and this bar area. I really, really like this. Like 10 out of 10 for sure. Ooh, look at that rug. Wow. Look at the Rainforest Cafe with the jungle wallpaper. And look how she put those plants there. They blend perfectly with the wallpaper. And look at that. She has a hammerhead shark. Oh, and she turned the showers on for like the rainforest. That's so cool. She has the parrot. That's awesome. And look at her tablecloth. It's so cool. It's like animal print. Well, that lodge was amazing. I would love to stay there. What is that? She calls Trash Panda. I think he's giving you like swimsuits to wear. I don't know. The sunken Japanese garden area, really tranquil and amazing with the fence. What a great entrance to the lodge. Beautiful. Look at the palms in the background. Oh, you can see the flamingo area from here. And we have the puffer fish. I have not caught that yet. Looks like a restaurant. Oh, sushi cafe. Again, look at the tablecloth. Like, amazing. The koi fish stack there. We have a bakery. And carrot cake. Nook shopping area. Uh-oh. There's the croc. He escaped. Yikes. We have the Able Sisters shop with all the dresses in the front and this cute cafe. He just wants coffee. Oh, let him have his coffee. Beautiful brick bridge that leads you to... Oh, the picture area. That's so cute. Look at the panels in the background. And Squirtle. So we have a sea turtle. I don't have a ladder, so I'm gonna run around the other way and try to get to where she's going. And let me just figure this out. It'll happen. We must believe. This island is massive. Okay, there we are. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, nice. The sea turtle area. With the eggs. So cute. I love sea turtles. Really cool area. I wonder if she made that pattern herself. I've never seen it before. It's really cool. Jump. You can do it. We have the ramen and the... I don't know if that's pork buns. It looks awesome. Uh-oh. Get away from me, Croc. Don't eat anyone. Yeah, don't eat me, please. Wow. It looks like a fish market area. She caught a great white, red snapper, hermit crabs. I don't know, that fish looks gold right there. Again, the turtle I haven't caught. Amazing. She has the fish bait stand stall. The stand stall, you know. Entrance to the boardwalk with the tickets. Amazing. Cotton candy and the arcades and the big prize you can win. Her panels are just really cool. Oh no, he's getting revenge. He's not having it. He doesn't want to go back without his coffee. So this looks like a studio area. Oh, okay. Studio tours. Nice. Sharknado. Iconic. The most riveting film of the century. So we have blood, we have tires and hammerhead sharks, and what is this? Espresso machine. It looks like a lounge. Oh, the lounge for celebs. I think this is the editing area and then the filming, the sci-fi films. Oh, scary. Kind of creepy, but really cool area. And then look at these rock designs. Really cool. Tower of Terror! Oh my gosh. Look at this. Like, this is just how you wait in line at the theme parks. It's really cool. We have all these paintings in front of the Tower of Terror. And, oh, they're haunted. So, don't want to stand next to them. And her panel on the left with the ivy is really cool. The music is amazing for this place. Look at that gift shop sign. The font is awesome. Tower lobby. And it looks like a real lobby. She has 2 Rover briefcases. That's insane. That's amazing. I only have 1. Creepy music. The library where you watch the video. It's so creepy and beautiful at the same time. The basement. Ooh, scary. The elevators. Wow. Look at that. Look at the wallpaper. Amazing. And she put all the cogs in the background. I love the lights too, right in front of the elevators. It's really cool. And then this back room. Inside the elevator, wow. That's so cool. It's so creepy. I'm stuck. And then upstairs. This is my favorite room, honestly. Like, look at that wallpaper in the background. And this, like, this is the climbing wall she flipped and has, like, it looks like wooden wallpaper. And the lightning in the background. And then these panels look like opaque windows. It's just, it's my favorite room. Like, that is astonishing and, like, the most creative thing I think I've seen in the game. Like, really freaking cool. And she went, I think she went to the basement. But we just came from there. Oh, maybe it glitched out. Probably here because we didn't go in the gift shop yet. Oh, nice. Tower of Terror shirts. Victorian dress. Awesome. The exit sign. That's so cool. She's just so creative. I went the long way. I'll just I'll take the shortcut. Amazing island. Oh, that's the tour. Well, yeah, like I said, that was insane and like what an amazing, unique, creative island. And every room in her house was just, I could never think of something like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed her island as much as